next week is against Magnolia. Parehong 2-0 and both teams something to prove after last conference na tagilid pareho.
It will be a huge game for us in Magnolia, but I'm really worried about Magnolia because they're playing a lot better. You can see it naman in this first game. From start to finish, they're using a 6 big man. Okay, and we have only 4. But we will see. But they're in top shape. And during our tune-up game, we're able to compete with them. And the result is, although we lost in the tune-up game, but we're so happy because we're able to level up to the kind of intensity they're displaying during the time. And you can see it naman in our game. And the first half talagang relentless yung defense nila. And I'm expecting na it will be an exciting game.